Okay, this is pretty heavy gauge steel, and I already demolitioned one. I'll show it to you. It took me about 2 hours to cut through it. I used carbine wheels, and the wheels just faded to nothing. So I took this Sawzall and I went through several blades. And so I finally bought some heavy duty ones. I'll show you when I get to it. But here's the opening. I made it 31 by 15.5, which is the rough opening of this. Well, it's a 32 by 16, but the actual size is 31 by 15.5. And what I want that to wedge in there nice and tight, so that all I have to do is tuck point. I want that to wedge in there nice and tight, so that all I have to do is tuck point the concrete into here, and I won't have to shim or anything. So, just so that anyone else following this will know, if I can find them, I have some heavy duty blades over here that will cut through the next one real nice and tight. And if you need a part number, it is right here. Part number 37296010 TPI 2.5 millimeter for bimetal Irwin. The one I used already lasted really good, even though it was used. It lasted really good and cut right through this heavy gauge drop forged steel. But the carbine blades that I used with this grinder did not last long at all. And that's the third one there, and it's too thick to make cuts. So we're not using that for this next set.